Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. upping the ante, saying that his regulators are taking a hard look at ultra-processed foods and a long-standing loophole. NewsNation Weekend anchor Anna Kooiman joins us now with more. So, Anna, more ingredients in question. What now?
So, Markie, good morning to you. We could be looking at the beginning of the end for this Wild West era for ultra-processed food ingredients like these shelf stabilizers and flavor enhancers, foaming agents, chemical dyes, and refined carbohydrates. Former FDA head Dr. David Kessler, who actually helped to initiate the takedown of big tobacco in the 1990s, says ultra-processed foods are killing Americans at alarming rates because of chronic disease. He's petitioning for a regulation, quote, loophole, as some call it, called GRAS, or generally regarded as safe, to be closed. HHS Secretary RFK Jr. is now revealing that the Food and Drug Administration will consider revoking the safety status of dozens of ingredients unless the food companies can prove they are safe and do not contribute to health issues or obesity. Some may call Kessler and Kennedy ideological adversaries, but on this, they appear to be in near lockstep over the dangers in America's food supply.
Over the last 40 years, the United States has been exposed to something that our biology was never intended to handle and have resulted in the greatest increase in chronic disease in our history.
We're being given food that is low in nutrition and high in calories, and it's destroying our health.
So what happens next? What changes could consumers see on grocery store shelves? Well, the battlefield is really going to be on the ingredients list on the back of all the boxes that we see lining the shelves. So right now, companies can actually fast-track ingredients without much oversight or independent government testing. GRAS, though, was initially meant to cover ingredients that we would find in our kitchens, things like baking soda or vinegar. But RFK says it's exploded into thousands of ingredients that make up these industrialized food products. Critics say this puts profits over people, but the Consumer Brands Association argues that current safety checks are already robust and current rules are necessary, they say, for meeting demand and keeping costs down for consumers. So if the FDA does indeed move forward, that GRAS shortcut could disappear for dozens of refined carbohydrates, chemicals, and sweeteners trying to make their way in. This would force big food brands to either reformulate their best sellers or face new labeling warning laws, perhaps. And Kennedy says that Americans do deserve transparency and they should know what they are eating. But Markie, he does work for a president who does not stand by a lot of regulation, and he is stopping short of saying he will regulate ultra-processed foods right now.
Yeah, we deserve food transparency and better choices, too. He is on a mission. We'll stay on top of it. Anna, thanks. Remember, everybody, you can catch Anna Kooiman every weekend at 1 p.m. Eastern, 12 o'clock noon Central.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.